In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to publish Jotform apps. Whether you're new to Jotform or just need a refresher, this guide will make the process quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, head over to jotform.com. This is where you'll initiate the process of publishing your app. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is crucial for accessing your forms and apps. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Jotform dashboard, which houses all your forms and apps. Next, take a look through your list of forms and select the one you'll want to publish as an app. Click on Edit Form to open up the form editor. This is where you can make any final adjustments to your form if needed. It's always a good idea to double check everything here to ensure that your app will function as intended. Once you've made your necessary edits and are satisfied with your form, the next step is to click on the Publish button. You'll typically find this option at the top of the form editor. Clicking Publish brings you to a new screen with several publishing options. Now, scroll down on this page until you find the option labeled Create App. Click on it to begin transforming your form into a fully fledged app. This step is where Jotform really shines, allowing you to take a static form and turn it into something that's dynamic and accessible as an app. Once you've gone through the app creation process and are happy with how everything looks, click Publish once more. This will finalize the creation of your Jotform app, making it available for sharing and use. At this point, your app is live and ready to be distributed to your audience. To share your newly created app, look to the left side of the screen where you have several sharing options. You can choose Quick Share to get a direct link to your app, which is perfect for sharing via email or social media. If you want to integrate your app into a website, click on Embed for various embedding options. Additionally, if there are specific users you want to invite to use your app, you can manage this under App Users. Each of these options provides a unique way to distribute your app based on your needs and the preferences of your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully gone from having a Jotform to a published app that can be shared and used by others. With Jotform, the process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing anyone to create and publish apps with ease. We hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy app publishing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides on digital tools and platforms.